My name's Rich Harrington, and welcome to this episode of Understanding Adobe Photoshop. Today, we're going to tackle canvas size, which is essentially the work area of your image. By default, when you open up a digital photo, the canvas size is set to the size of the original document. However, if you create a new document in Photoshop, you define a default from a preset list or type in your own custom size. Let's choose File New and explore this. You'll see a preset list with different types of devices, including paper, photography, web, mobile phones, and film and video. Let's choose Photo. And notice we have a whole list of presets, including 4x6, 5x7, 8x10. I'm going to go with a 4x6, 6 inches wide by 4 inches tall. Check the target resolution of 300 and click OK. I've now created a new document that's sized with that target canvas size. You can check that by Option or Alt clicking on the bottom here and see the current size of your canvas, 6 inches by 4 inches at 300 pixels per inch. If you want to change that canvas size, you can do it under the Image menu. Image, Canvas Size. And this brings up a new dialog box. What's important to note is that you could specify which direction to enlarge, and if you want to do it relatively. You also can choose a color from the pop-up list. Now let's hit Cancel here and switch over to our photographic document. Here we have a picture that I'd like to add a border to. I could do that by choosing Image, Canvas Size. And I'm going to click Relative and choose that I'd like to add a 1/4 inch border on all sides, 0.25. I could tell it to add it from the middle, and it will expand equally in all directions, and I'll choose to add that as a black border. I click OK, and the canvas size is changed. Now, the canvas size command can be very useful if you're working and you need a larger workspace. Often what happens is you'll start to design a document and then discover that you may need to add in some more area as you start to put the layers in or start to build a collage. Remember that image size and canvas size, while appearing similar, achieve very different functions. The image size lets you remap how the pixels are being handled within the document, while the canvas size lets you change how big the actual document is. So, if you need to enlarge the boundaries, you use canvas size. If you need to resize the pixel data you already have, you use image size. For Understanding Adobe Photoshop, my name's Rich Harrington.